This is a giant cactus. Its trunk is thick and sturdy. It can store up to 5,000 liters of water. It is called the saguaro. It is the tallest plant in this desert. It can grow over 20 meters high. At the same time, it is also the longest living plant here. It can live for up to 200 years. To survive in this dry desert, its leaves have evolved into sharp spines. Each spine is connected at its base to a structure that can absorb water. When the rain comes, these spines, which can reach 20 centimeters in length, channel the water to the base. The rainwater is eventually stored in the giant trunk. The folds on the surface of the saguaro can shrink or expand depending on how much water is stored. When it rains, these folds open up, allowing more water to be stored. With just one rainfall, a single cactus can hold thousands of liters of water. During droughts, it survives using the water stored in its trunk. Even if it doesn't rain for a year, it can survive stubbornly. However, in a desert where water is precious, storing so much water often attracts visitors. There is a unique plant seed that spreads through birds. This is a parasitic plant seed called the mistletoe. Its target is the water stored in the saguaro's trunk. After landing on a spine, the mistletoe begins to sprout quickly. Its seed sends out a tendril, searching the cactus surface. Most seeds die because they are too far from the cactus surface. One lucky seed touches the cactus. It attaches using a suction cup at the end of its tendril, then waits for nightfall. At night, the cactus opens its pores to breathe, taking in carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. This is the best time for the mistletoe to invade. Through the breathing pores, it enters the trunk and spreads inside, absorbing water and oxygen to survive. After a year, it breaks through the cactus surface and blooms with bright flowers. Insects and birds come to feed on the nectar, helping the mistletoe reproduce. Once reproduction is complete, the mistletoe's life ends. It produces hundreds of white fruits, attracting birds to eat them. The seeds are then spread to other cacti. The host cactus also needs insects and birds for pollination and seed dispersal. Some birds even nest in cavities inside the cactus. These hollow interiors form over 6 months without harming the cactus. A single cactus may have multiple cavities, and their inhabitants actually help the cactus survive. They collect nectar when the cactus blooms and eat the fruits when ripe. Seeds that are not digested are spread by birds over several kilometers. In the hot desert, the saguaro provides shelter for many creatures, while also helping its own seeds spread. However, young cacti are very fragile. If seeds sprout in exposed places, the heat and drought make survival very difficult. There is a tree in this desert with strong roots and extreme drought tolerance. The mesquite tree. Its trunk and branches shade the young cacti from the sun. Its roots, rich in water, share moisture with nearby seedlings. For this reason, the mesquite is called the nurse tree. Cacti growing near it have a much higher chance of survival. It protects them from harsh weather, including freezing nights, and sometimes even snow. If the water inside a young cactus freezes, it may die. But the mesquite's branches shield the seedlings from wind and snow, helping them survive. Once the cactus grows taller than the nurse tree, it no longer needs protection. It becomes strong enough to face harsh conditions on its own. Even water stored in the cactus during rain can be shared with the nurse tree. This mutual relationship has taken millions of years to evolve. If this delicate balance is broken, these species will face survival crises. This is the world, inviting you to explore the unknown and marvel at the wonders of life. Thank you for watching.